Hi, we are making a series of videos of how we've taught our son Saha to swim according to its stages. And here I'm going to tell you 3 things we would like you to keep in mind before starting. First, the key point is the close interaction between the baby and the parent. It means you are not only the parent who is the most intimate person to your baby and the person who knows him the most, but you are also a swimming instructor, a swimming partner who is completely synchronized with him, and a lifeguard who can make him feel safe. So, you have to be prepared. You should learn to swim even though your baby already has a great swimming teacher. This will allow you to read and understand your baby better and react properly. If you're already a good swimmer, work on improving your stamina to react better and faster as needed. Second, the smaller the child, the more attentive you should be to his health condition. A baby whose immune system has not developed fully can be vulnerable in a pool. The quality and the temperature of the water can affect the health of the baby. So, when your baby is not well, let the baby rest to recover fully and reschedule the classes as needed. Lastly, the baby should build a positive association with water in general. Swimming time should be fun and playful. It should not be a class he dislikes. If your baby does not enjoy the water, do not force him. Try to get your baby used to the water and do activities such as playing with toys in shallow water. Saha began swimming at 3 months, and we will show you the things we did in the following videos. We are not professional swimmers nor coaches, so these methods are by no means any type of formal teaching methods. We also don't think there is a right age to learn how to swim, because every baby is different. Anyway, we hope our experience can be useful. Good luck and see you in the next video.